I'm like, yeah, okay. All right, let's go. Don't even say anything. I hate doing that.
What was that ghost?
Oh, ghost, like leaving and kind of just sticking out. I hate to do that. That's smart. I hate doing that.
Not the bartender, the girl that was at the bar.
This is a classic San Diego Saturday marathon day. Flag football, bar hopping.
Here we are. Stop number 2. Just came from
Really number
CJ's.
3.
Well, yeah.
Moe's.
Oh, Moe's. Well, actually 4 from the field.
I don't know how far I'm going to make it.
Oh, please.
Yeah, you can smoke wine, but you can't drink.
What is it? April? Middle of April, we're on the beach.
April the 23rd.
April,
And we're wearing jackets.
Some little beach party.
and it's a beach party.
It's a little different, though.
And it's
I bet it
hashtag
was from about hashtag.
Blue Big Suey, but we love it.
We were having these hashtag fights earlier, and Derek had to say,
See, the people don't know what the hashtag means. This is the difference. Black don't crack. See,
okay.
you can work.
Why don't I take my selfies?
I'll count you in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
6.
Oh my God!
It's the weekend!
That was a shot.